Okay, we're having a little bit of a break, a toilet stop, snack stop, whatever you want to call it. This is called Porteau Cove, I believe it's called. I actually haven't been here before. It's really pretty. Nice to get out of the shuttle bus. Apparently 45 minutes until the first hotel stop. Good place to do a YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, as long as I get on the right bus. So there's the railway line now. That used to be a Canadian rail that ran from Vancouver to Worcester and Creekside, and then you took a shuttle bus into the village if you were staying in the village. That was discontinued. They ran it in the winter as well, but now they don't. I don't believe they run it, maybe in the summer. But at one stage before the Olympics, they actually concreted part of the track in, and they stopped the service. So to develop the main sea to sky highway for the Olympics to cope with the increased amount of traffic going along it. What else can I tell you? Not much about this area actually, because I actually haven't stopped here before. It's one of the nice stops that I've never actually stopped off or had a chance to stop off and have a look, because I don't drive and I don't have a car. So you rely on sightseeing tour buses, day trip buses and shuttle buses, which is usually the shuttle buses stop at Squamish at the what do you call it, the adventure centre, rather than stop off here at an odd spot. But this is pretty. There's a chance to stretch your legs. So I imagine a lot of people would stop off here and have a few photos and videos during the summer. Okay, I'll pause the video here and I'm going to get back on the shuttle bus.